Manufacturing business play a vital role in job creation and economic growth, driving innovation and contributing to a country's overall industrial development. They often require significant investment in machinery, infrastructure, and skilled labor, making them key players in supporting economic progress. If you want to start a manufacturing business, then, in this video, we are sharing 7 manufacturing business ideas with growth potential. Number 1. Customized home decor manufacturing. With the rising trend of personalized home decor, starting a manufacturing business that focuses on creating customizable and unique home accessories can be highly lucrative. This could include handcrafted furniture, bespoke lighting fixtures, or even custom-designed wallpaper. Number 2. Sustainable packaging manufacturing. As consumers become more conscious of environmental impact, there is a growing demand for eco-friendly packaging solutions. Launching a manufacturing practice that specializes in producing sustainable packaging materials like biodegradable plastics or compostable food containers can tap into this market while contributing to the planet's well-being. Number 3. 3D printing service provider. 3D printing technology has revolutionized various industries by allowing businesses to create prototypes and even final products with incredible precision and speed. Starting a manufacturing business centered around offering 3D printing services to other companies can be highly profitable in sectors such as automotive, aerospace, or healthcare, where customized parts are required. Number 4. Health food production. The health-conscious trend shows no sign of slowing down, making health food production an ideal choice for entrepreneurs seeking growth potential in the manufacturing sector. Creating nutritious snacks like granola bars or protein-packed energy bites using organic ingredients can cater to both retail markets and B2B partnerships with gyms or wellness centers. Number 5. Smart wearable technology manufacturing. The wearable tech industry is booming as people increasingly rely on devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches for monitoring their health and daily activities. Establishing a manufacturing business specialization in smart wearables opens up opportunities not only in consumer electronics, but also medical applications such as remote patient monitoring systems. Number 6. Electric vehicle component manufacturing. With governments worldwide pushing towards sustainability goals, transitioning from traditional vehicles to electric alternatives becomes inevitable over time. Entering the electric vehicle component market by focusing on producing charging stations, batteries, and motors, or even specialized EV software systems offers immense growth potential alongside contributing positively to global efforts against climate change. And Number 7. Healthcare product manufacturing. The healthcare sector is constantly evolving, and there is a continuous demand for innovative medical services and devices and equipment. Starting a manufacturing business that produces cutting-edge healthcare products like smart inhalers, telemedicine devices, or advanced diagnostic tools can tap into this rapidly expanding market while addressing critical health challenges. Remember to thoroughly research market trends, demographics, and competition before pursuing any of these ideas. Additionally, ensure your manufacturing processes prioritize efficiency, quality control measures, and sustainable practices to stay ahead in an increasingly competitive landscape.